Hello everyone, today we're gonna draw this little dog. First, need the equipment. A piece of paper, a blue highlighter, a marker, and an orange highlighter. First, get your marker, then start like this and draw the dog's ear. And then back up straight. But this time a bit curved. That. Down. Up and then down. From here, you go a bit up with a little long draw here. Color it in. And then you go down right here where it's the same length. Sticking out. Then you curve like this and then curve down. And then from here you just go down to a curve here and then line and then a curve there. Then you draw the neck more down. Then draw a line here and then a line across. Eye like that. After you draw the legs, do it curved on the end. Here's one leg, and then the other leg, starting from behind the knee, go down, curve like that, and then we go down. Curve up, go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we go like that, then go up. And then we go down and we make a full leg. And then we go back up again. Then you're finished with the dog. Now we are going to colour in. Get your blue highlighter and then colour in the collar. And then after, get your orange highlighter and then colour in the top. If you want to add the shadow, you can, but I'm not going to. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.